Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on this light on the multifunctional module on your DJI Osmo Mobile 8. The multifunctional module can be easily detached by pressing and holding here, and it can be attached any orientation, either to the back or to the front. Now, to turn on the light, you will need to find the turn on button, which will be right here. Click on it, and it turns on in the first of 4 brightness levels. You can press on it again to switch to a higher level. Once you reach the 4th and press again, then you'll turn the light off. You can also change the warmth of the light. Now it is the warmest one. If I click on it, you can see how warm it is. If I click on it again, it becomes a little cooler, then even cooler, and now it is fully cool. And now it's warm again. Let's turn it off, and that's how you operate. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.